Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Free up at least 20 GB and plug your Mac into power. This prevents interruptions and throttling. Once done, run a fresh time machine backup or make a bootable clone and verify it completes. That way you can revert if needed. Then open System Settings, navigate to Software Update, and click Download. The installer will fetch required packages. While downloading, leave the Mac awake and avoid heavy CPU tasks to keep download and verification fast. With the installer ready, check app compatibility. Update key apps first because kernel or library changes can break older versions. Once updated, quit all apps and close documents. That reduces the risk of file conflicts. Make sure File Vault is unlocked and you remember login passwords because the installer may require credentials after reboot. Next, choose Install Now. The Mac will restart automatically. While it reboots, the system will apply firmware, migrate settings, and rebuild caches. This takes several minutes to an hour depending on hardware. After the update completes, follow the Setup Assistant prompts to sign in and reauthorize apps. This finalizes permissions and iCloud services. Once at the desktop, run Software Update again to install supplemental patches and check system settings for new options. If the update stalls or fails, reboot into safe mode to run diagnostics, then use Recovery to reinstall Mac OS without erasing data. If firmware mismatches or boot issues persist, restore from your verified time machine or clone. That reliably returns you to a working state.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.